Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to zoom out on the iPhone. Now if you've ever come to the iPhone and it's all zoomed in, the first thing you want to try is 3-finger tapping on your screen. This should take off the zoom effect. You can also use 3 fingers to swipe around the screen to move the screen about. However, if you want to take off the zoom effect altogether, you want to tap into the settings here on the main screen. Now once you're into the main settings, you want to come down to accessibility. Now I want to tap into that. Now on the main accessibility settings, you want this zoom here at the top. I'm going to tap into that. Now here at the top, you'll see zoom, and it is currently tabbed on as it is green. And as you can see underneath, double tap 3 fingers to zoom. Drag 3 fingers to move around the screen. Double tap 3 fingers to drag and change the zoom. If you want this turned off, you want to tap this little green tab, so it's like this, and it's greyed out. And now the zoom effect will be turned off. So that is how to zoom out on the iPhone and how to turn it off. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.